In this section of the course, we focused on financial investments, but before we close it out, I want us to quickly touch on possibly the most important investment choice anyone can make. That choice is investing in yourself. Investing in yourself within the context of personal finance and achieving financial freedom will ultimately put you in a position to create and benefit from financial opportunities. Opportunities can span from so many different areas of your personal investment. Whether it be increasing your marketability or earning potential, or being able to make wise investment choices based on your financial knowledge, or just being able to enjoy your wealth for a long enough period based on healthy lifestyle choices. Reading books, pursuing higher education, doing courses, attending seminars and workshops, learning new skills, networking with more and new people, eating right and going to the gym are all ways that you can invest in you.